Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, don't look this way because it's kind of a mess. We're gonna look this way. Yeah. It's more aesthetically pleasing. Got all the stuff in the background to distract you from what I'm actually trying to show you. Yeah. I do my videos my way. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is the Undertaker Collection Show. I am your host. Here, Dan Airways, aka Dan the Man. And this is my Undertaker collection room. Documenting all the Undertaker collectibles. I've been talking about this brand called Ringside Supplies. Where is it? Right there, Ringside Supplies. Let's focus in. Focus in, please. Focus, focus. See that little logo? Right there in the center of your screen. Ringside Supplies. What we have here is their offering. Pardon me. Thank you. Their offering of a Superstar sound bank. Now, if you'll remember from our previous video, I did explain to you how I'm fairly certain the price tags, when you see that 03, that's the month, and the 9, that represents the year. So this would have been March of 1999. Okay? There you go. Knowledge, information. This was $12.99 at KB Toys. And it has actual sounds from your favorite World Wrestling Federation superstar, such as The Undertaker. And we've got the official branded logo right there. Yep. That's right. It's official. Let me turn it on the side. And this is what it looks like from the side angle, in case you're out there wondering. And you're like, go ahead, turn the box to the side. I want to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like when you turn it that way, right? So then if I turn it this way, yo, check that out. Isn't that dope? That's dope, right, guys? Check that out. I just discovered a new thing. And here's the back. It's got a little try-me feature here. I doubt it. I doubt it. I knew it. Is that sealed? That's not sealed, guys. What if I put money in there? What if I use it? I think I have 2 of these too. I think I have 2 of these. I'll have to use one of them. Let's say down here. Look for these other great officially licensed World Wrestling Federation products from Ringside Supplies, such as Straw Huggers, Giant Sippers. I got the Giant Sipper. Mugs. Mugs, huh? I wonder if those are the mugs that Lee Wilcock was showing me. Lamps. I've never seen a lamp? A lamp. Really? Magnet. I got the magnet. Waste paper basket. I want a waste paper basket. So, Superstars. How would you represent DX on the bank, though? And you can see Stone Cold and Undertaker, but like, there's multiple members of DX. Yeah, so this, if you're not familiar with the Try Me thing, when you go to the store and you see stuff that has the Try Me, you can like press the button. But obviously this is very old and very not working right now. But maybe we'll get batteries and we'll do like an update or something. I don't know. It depends on how much attention you give this video. But wanted to say thank you for being here, and we'll see you next time. Take care.